Welcome to the REDATS channel. My name is Hubert and today I'll introduce you to one of our wheel balancers from the W8 series, the REDATS W-870. This machine features a large 22-inch monitor with a clear and intuitive interface, a convenient and simple keypad that's always within reach, an automatic measuring arm that reads both the distance and rim diameter. The wheel width is selected automatically from the memory-stored dimensions of standard steel rims thanks to the Easy Sonar Data System, ESD for short. It handles wheels from 8 to 35 inches and completes the balancing process in just 5.5 seconds with an accuracy of 1 gram. You can use it to balance both steel and alloy wheels in dynamic mode for passenger cars, vans or off-road vehicles. It also supports static balancing for motorcycle wheels. It features as many as 7 different programs for alloy wheels, allowing you to precisely match the program to the wheel you're currently working on. You can apply adhesive weights at the 12 o'clock position using the measuring arm and thanks to the built-in laser also at the 6 o'clock position. The foot brake ensures the wheel stays firmly in place during the balancing process. The machine also includes a hidden weight program which allows you to position the weights behind the spokes for a cleaner visual finish. You'll also find a wheel optimization function which helps minimize the number of weights needed during balancing. Additionally, the balancer offers a 2-operator mode, allowing 2 people to work independently on the same machine at the same time. And finally, after 5 minutes of inactivity, the machine switches to energy-saving mode to reduce power consumption. What's included with the machine? 4 cones ranging from 43 to 135 mm, tire shop pliers, a 50 grams calibration weight, a 40 mm threaded shaft with an Allen key, a quick-release nut with both large and small sleeves, and a user manual containing all the essential information you need. That's enough theory. Time for some practice. Let's start balancing. We'll start with a steel wheel. We mount it on the balancer and remove the old weights. Now we move on to entering the parameters. We take the measuring arm and place it under the rim flange. The machine will automatically select the wheel width. Then we close the hood. The machine shows 30 grams on the left and 25 grams on the right. We rotate the wheel to the unbalanced spot, engage the foot brake to keep it in place and attach the 30-gram weight at the 12 o'clock position. Same on the other side. We take 25 grams, position the wheel, lock it and mount the weight. Now we close the hood to check. We've got 0 to 0, we remove the steel wheel and mount the alloy. We check if there are any old weights on the wheel. If there are, we need to remove them and clean off the glue residue. We position the measuring arm at the 2 adhesive weight locations and close the hood. We need to apply 35 grams on the left side and 35 grams on the right side. We position the imbalance location, we're on the left side. Here we need 35 grams. We take the weight and stick it on the left side at the 6 o'clock position. Then we set the second side. Here we also need 35 grams. We take the weight and stick it on the right side at the 6 o'clock position. We close the hood to check. The machine shows us 0 to 0. The wheel is balanced. Now you know what this wheel balancer offers and how to use it. Check out our channel for more videos on other models. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!